Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So we will walk through some quick steps before we get started. Make sure you subscribe to this channel or not. Can you subscribe? Please subscribe my channel. You are on YouTube, hit the alert notification also. First, we gonna to open our famous browser Google Chrome. Here I type kali.org, then hit enter. We just click on the download button and it will take us right to the download page. And here you see a bare metal. It's an ISO file images, and second is VM file images and virtual file images. Kali organization provide both files. So I am going with ISO file images. So here is a download button. You can click here, then download will be start. Here it's downloaded, download start, hit the download button and download will start. Actually, I have also download my Kali ISO file. It was here, it is here. So I am going with this file. Next step is open VMware, double click on it, and then VMware is open. The installation of VMware is our previous videos, so you can see also for learn how to install VMware Workstation. Okay, now click on create a new virtual machine. Click on next. Here you select your ISO file image, browse Kali Linux ISO, and then open. Click on next. Here you select Linux and here you select your version, what version you want. uh, it's a Debian 10.x64. I'm using 64-bit system and I downloaded also Linux 64 bits. Your system supported 34 bits. You can download 34 bits ISO of Kali Linux and the version is Debian 10.x. You can download 32 bits ISO from there. Here 64, here's 32 bits. Then click on next. Here you give a machine name. I give a name Kali. Then here you have a space problem and any other problem. So you can store the installation of Kali Linux in another storage. I have only one drive. You have a second drive also. You can install your Kali Linux on second drive. And I am going with the default. So click next. Here you give a space. I give 60. I give 30. Both. You can give any storage. Means you give 60, 50 GBs and 100 GBs, 200 GBs. So I'm going click on next and here you customize your hardware. So there is a memory, means you can add RAM. Here is 2 GB. 2 GB is recommended and maximum 6 GB. You can give 8 GB, 13, 32 GB. And here is a processor. You give a processor. Here is a core preprocessor. You give a and it's a CD DVD, sound card, printer. I remove printer option because of we don't use printer. And here is a display. You can pick the Accelerate 3D graphics because of you have a graphic card in your laptop, yeah, or desktop. So You can check this box, otherwise uncheck, not an issue. Okay, close it and finish. Now machine is ready. Click on power on this virtual machine for installation installing Kali Linux. Click OK. Click and click on the this screen and click and hit enter for graphical installation. Select a language. I am going with English. Select your country. I am going with India. Select a configuration of keyboard. I am going with American English. Detect network hardware. Which network hardware it's used. Now, finally, here, here I type host name. I type of security. It's my company name. So continue. Here you type any domain. I don't have domain, so continue. Here you type your full name. Security, continue. Here you type your username. I type username Kelly. Continue. Here you type password and retype your password. Continue. Uh, use entire disk. First one is selected and then continue. Continue and all partition in one partition, all file in one partition, then continue and finish. Select yes and continue. Now here you select your environment, which environment do you want. I want genome environment, so I check the genome environment. You want accept CE, you check this box, and you want KD, you check this box. You also want all three environment, you check all three and then continue. The all three environment is fully successfully installed, but I'm going with genome because I like genome environment, so then continue. And these thing, it's a tool collection of tools. I select all tools and default recommendation tool. Okay, then continue. 2173 packages in genome environment, so it's a low. Then you select all three. Its size is too large, so it will take a much more time. Then here is also taken time. Firstly is it installs all packages, and second unpacking packaging fit, and after it it's do all setup all the files. So it because of the it's taken time. Now, install the grub bootloader. So, here you press yes and then continue. Enter the grub bootloader location. Here I give a Dave SDA. Means SDA means our HDD, or or NVMe means our SSD. So I have HDD, so there is SDA. So I select Dave SDA, then continue. Now the installation process last step. Don't take a stress. It will take a minute and you don't do anything. It's all the process of Kali Linux ISO file. And you download the VM file. It's already make the all files. First you download and here you go and open and you downloaded the VM file and then open the file. So your Kali Linux automatically open with XFCE environment. It's default environment of the Kali Linux, so you can go with them also. Now the installation is finished. The machine want to reboot, then continue. The machine goes to reboot. Now grab loading, then hit enter. You can also install this Kali Linux OS on your main machine. It's not too difficult to installation. I gave a video to how to install Kali Linux on main machine after a time. And the machine is running also. Now, here is a login page. Here you type Kali means your password, then continue, hit enter. The window is coming. Yeah, yes. The installation is complete. It's in Kali's desktop. It's a genome desktop. Yes, it's a genome environment desktop of Kali Linux. So if you have any question, go ahead and put them in the comment below. I will do my best to answer them. If you do enjoy this video, please thumbs up, maybe subscribe because it will be a lots more content coming out over the next few weeks. Thank you for watching and I will catch you on the next ones. Thank you.